How to fix Snapchat half screen problem on your Snapchat. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First guys, you will just open settings of your phone and you will go directly to apps or application. Then you will find here all the application that you have on your phone. What you should do right now, just to will search for Snapchat. When you found it, just open it like this and go to storage. Go to the last button here, clear data, click OK, go back and click on first tab, click OK, and go back to Play Store or App Store and update Snap again, and that's it, your problem will fix. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.